Hey there everyone, got a iPhone 11. I'm going to be replacing the back glass and the front screen. I usually start off by tearing the whole phone down. I remove the cameras, the motherboard, the battery, and the screen also of course. And I use the laser engraver to burn off the glue and some of the paint to make it easier to remove the glass. After I remove the glass, I start using my hot air station to remove the remainder of the adhesive glue that they use to glue that glass on. And I use the hot air and a very sharp X-Acto knife. Once all that's clean it with some alcohol. And then I use the T8000 glue. And I also reassemble it first, also, before gluing it down. Add the new screen, everything back inside. I just do it this way because it's just, I feel a lot more safer. I don't want to end up puncturing the battery or ruining something. And then I use that T8000 glue. Once that's on there, I add the new glass and I use the rubber bands to hold it in place. And I let the glue set overnight. The glue does say a few hours, but I just let it set overnight. I tell my customers the 24-hour process, and that's usually how I do it. This is my info. Reach out.